Looking to boost your car's audio without the hassle? Scosche speaker adapters let you upgrade your factory-installed speakers with high-quality aftermarket options, fitting right into your vehicle's original locations. No cutting, no guesswork, just better sound where it belongs. I recently swapped out my 2012 Ford F-150's factory speakers using these adapters, and the difference was clear. The fit was seamless, no rattles or gaps, and I didn't have to modify anything. They worked perfectly with my 6.5-inch aftermarket speakers, despite some reviews suggesting otherwise. The high-grade ABS material feels solid and built to last, giving me confidence that this upgrade won't wear out or loosen over time. These adapters fit most 5.25 inches or 6.5 inches aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 1/16, 129 mm, so they cover a wide range of popular speaker sizes. Just be sure to check your speaker measurements against the product specifications to ensure compatibility. They're designed for most import and domestic vehicles with factory 5x7 or 6x8 speakers, making them a versatile choice for many drivers. What really sets these adapters apart is the peace of mind you get. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in ongoing support and quality assurance. If you want a reliable, no-fuss way to upgrade your car's sound system, these adapters are worth a look. If that's you, ready to enjoy clearer, richer audio without complicated installs, try Scosche speaker adapters when you're ready. They simplify the upgrade process, fit securely, and help you get the most out of your aftermarket speakers.